Ah! All right. Film, guys. So let's go. Woo-hoo. Let's get a sesh. We are having a sesh, but let's get in there. 3K in one day, man. That's crazy. That would be my dream salary. Welcome, Maddie. Welcome back. You're 2 silver. How you doing, man? 7 times coin for top side. Why this happens every time, single time after the bonus game I covered. Little rascal. Okay, 7 times coin for. Come on. Slow it down. Slow it down. Going too fast. Slow it down. 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 Stick it. Holy sheesh. I almost dropped my pants full of happiness. All right, that's a 7x coin flip, guys. Man. Whew. All right, let's do this. Right side up. Okay, multipliers. Come on. All right, 5er, 25er. Everything multiplied by 7 times, guys. Okay, 175 on the blue and 35 on the red over there, guys. So we need a blue, right? A blueberry. Blueberries. Ah! Ooh! Ah! All right, 3,008 wins, guys. Nice! Alan Tire, go to Cab, Gus, Sapphire. Good job, guys. You like it. You like it. You like it. Look at you guys. You like it, eh? You like it.
Stop talking nonsense. 50x and a 5 right there, so those lovely pink thingies are 250. Go on, then! We done did it. We done did it now. 250 to 1 going to 4,797 gorgeous people. Oh!
Your 1-bedroom apartment, i.e., what do you mean? You're talking about my apartment? Have you ever been into my apartment? Yeah. What a name. Good luck. Yay! Cash hunt with a 2x. Previous time here, 2 days ago, guys, we cash hunt with 2x. Hey! Oh my! Jump and stay! Woo! Ladies and gents, cash hunt with a 2x. Let's go! Oh my goodness. Hi. We are amazing, right? Welcome, nice to see you here. Let's check our main multipliers, because we have 2x in our pockets. Woo! Baby, highest 500x, so let's make everything 2 times bigger. Juicy, check this out. Wow! So max multiplier, 1,000x, and we should be like, well, high chances at 100x. Focus, ladies and gents, on 1,000x. What a story! Perfect, dreams come true. So go for it, choose your lucky emoji. Your symbol, you know, on my favorite spot, 37, I'm playing with Apple. Choose your lucky one. If you're using autoplay, relax. Autopic will take care of you. Last seconds. Decision time is over. Let's reveal the multipliers. 30 has votes. So 1,000x for 16 players, 150x for 98 of you. So my compliments, 16 of you got 1,000x. Wow. Oh, Niels, check this out. Thank you so much. You too. So congratulations to the winners. How's going your day so far? Carletta. No, I don't think that you're wearing sombreros. It's 21st century. No, you don't. I don't know, Allie. Cash is with 5x. I don't know. But maybe you are. I hope you are. Well, at least you're using exactly the same. Oh my! Stop! Oh! Yay! Ladies and gents, cash out with a 5x on it. Bam, baby! Do you feel? Oh my! Do you see what is going on? Amazing. We love cash hands. Okay, we have 5x in our pockets. Multipliers. Let's make everything 5 times bigger. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Woo. Wow, this is good. Max multiplier, guys. 500x, let's go. High chance to shot 250x. 75x is already. Board is juicy. Multipliers, decent. Focus, guys. TK will go for 5-3. The 2297, I will go for 3-7. Target is mine. And now, choose wisely. Decision time available. If you're using autoplay, relax. Autopick will take care of you. Rabbit is yours. Got this. Like, which one? Ah, I see the numbers. Okay, let's reveal the multipliers, guys. 500x for 45 plus 250x.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night.